Public speaking tip of the day. When you're giving a new business pitch, any type of presentation where you're pitching new business or you won something, follow up within 24 hours with a written document restating what you covered in your presentation. Now, I love to speak. I think I'm pretty good at it, but I don't rely on just my spoken pitch to a new business prospect to get the business. I spend a lot of my time giving new business pitches to people through live Skype video. They see me pretty much the way you're seeing me now. Also phone calls, phone conferences, and as good as I think I am, that's not enough. I follow up with written proposals. Now, I also follow up typically with an additional video proposal as well that spells it all out. But I think certainly at a minimum, you need to follow up with text. In other ventures I'm involved with, I'm constantly struck by the number of people who come give me a pitch. They seem pretty good. They have good enthusiasm. They're telling me about this idea, that idea. I ask for more information. They say they're happy to send it to me, and I never hear from them again. And they never even bother to ask me for my business. So much of the follow-up is just, here's again what I told you I would do. Here's a restatement of why I'd like to work with you. And that often makes the difference. So it's technically not a part of the spoken presentation, but it's a part of the whole presentation process. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively to live audiences and to the news media. If you'd like to improve your own speaking skills, go to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com and download a couple of our books at no cost.